Is being is a verb phrase used in the present continuous tense to describe an action that is currently happening or in progress at the moment of speaking. Here are 50 example sentences. The bridge is being constructed over the river. Her painting is being admired by everyone at the gallery. The cat is being chased by the dog. Our project is being reviewed by the supervisor. He is being interviewed for a job position. The tree is being planted in the garden. He is being taught how to play the piano by his grandmother. The movie is being filmed in the city centre. The cake is being decorated with icing. The book is being read by millions of people. She is being promoted to a higher position at work. The car is being repaired at the mechanic's shop. The house is being renovated by a team of workers. The software is being updated to the latest version. The speech is being delivered by the president. He is being praised for his outstanding performance in the play. The problem is being solved by the experts. The road is being paved with asphalt. The report is being prepared for submission. He is being monitored closely by his doctor after the surgery. The experiment is being conducted in the laboratory. The letter is being typed on the computer. The garden is being watered to help the plants grow. The concert is being attended by music lovers from all over the world. The proposal is being discussed in the meeting. She is being supported by her friends during this difficult time. The package is being delivered to your doorstep. The artwork is being displayed in the art gallery. The patient is being treated by the doctor. The baby is being fed by her mother. He is being considered for the role of team captain. The suspect is being interrogated by the police. The storm is being monitored by meteorologists. The website is being redesigned for better user experience. The contract is being negotiated between the two parties. She is being recognized for her contributions to the community. The medicine is being manufactured in the pharmaceutical factory. The match is being watched by millions of fans. The problem is being analysed by the experts. The recipe is being followed step by step. The dress is being sewn by a skilled tailor. He is being encouraged to pursue his passion for music. The news is being broadcasted on all major channels. The fire is being extinguished by the firefighters. The formula is being tested for its effectiveness. The exam is being taken by the students in the classroom. The menu is being prepared for tonight's dinner. She is being advised by her counsellor on career options. The vaccine is being distributed to healthcare centres. The documentary is being filmed in remote locations. Am being is a verb phrase used in the present continuous tense, specifically when the subject of the sentence is I. It describes an action that is currently happening or in progress at the moment of speaking. Here are 50 example sentences. I am being patient while waiting for my turn. I am being honest with you about my feelings. I am being careful not to make any mistakes. I am being taught how to cook by my grandmother. I am being criticised unfairly for my actions. I am being considered for a promotion at work. I am being watched closely by security cameras. I am being guided through the process step by step. I am being given a second chance to prove myself. I am being accused of something I didn't do. I am being offered a scholarship to study abroad. I am being reassured by my friends that everything will be okay. I am being trained to become a better athlete. I am being listened to attentively by my therapist. I am being challenged to think outside the box. I am being supported by my family during tough times. I am being encouraged to pursue my dreams. I am being reminded of the importance of self-care. I am being included in important decision-making processes. I am being comforted by the presence of my loved ones. I am being observed by my teachers to assess my progress. I am being mentored by a senior colleague in the company. I am being motivated by the achievements of others. I am being respected for my opinions and ideas. I am being asked to represent my school in a competition. I am being praised for my hard work and dedication. I am being given the opportunity to travel the world. I am being taken seriously in my professional endeavours. I am being challenged to step out of my comfort zone. I am being valued for my contributions to the team. I am being monitored closely by my doctor for any signs of improvement. I am being comforted by the warmth of the fireplace. I am being acknowledged for my achievements in academics. I am being advised to take things one step at a time. I am being mentored by successful entrepreneurs in the industry. I am being praised for my creativity and innovation. I am being reminded to stay true to myself. I am being tested on my knowledge of the subject matter. I am being encouraged to express myself freely. I am being challenged to overcome my fears. I am being guided by my intuition to make the right decisions. I am being offered a helping hand in times of need. I am being comforted by the soothing music playing in the background. I am being reminded of the importance of gratitude. I am being encouraged to take responsibility for my actions. I am being reminded of the power of positivity. I am being inspired by the resilience of those around me. I am being given the chance to learn from my mistakes. I am being supported in my efforts to pursue higher education. I am being encouraged to embrace change and adaptability. Are being is a verb phrase used in the present continuous tense, specifically when the subject of the sentence is you, we, or they. It describes an action that is currently happening or in progress at the moment of speaking. Here are 50 example sentences. You are being offered a scholarship for your academic achievements. You are being encouraged to follow your dreams and passions. You are being reminded to always be kind to others. You are being watched by your peers as you present your project. You are being asked to participate in the school play. We are being supported by our friends and family during this difficult time. We are being guided by our principles and values. We are being given the opportunity to make a difference in our community. We are being challenged to think critically and creatively. We are being reminded of the importance of teamwork. They are being recognised for their hard work and dedication. They are being mentored by experienced professionals in the field. They are being celebrated for their achievements in sports. They are being given the chance to showcase their talents on stage. They are being encouraged to explore new opportunities. We are being taught effective communication strategies. We are being shown support by our colleagues. We are being provided with necessary resources. We are being encouraged to take initiative. We are being given constructive feedback. They are being advised to consider all options. They are being recognised for their contributions. They are being guided through the process. They are being offered incentives for their work. They are being encouraged to collaborate. You are being given a second chance. You are being encouraged to express yourself. You are being listened to attentively. You are being provided with opportunities for growth. You are being supported in your endeavours. You are being asked to participate actively. You are being given responsibilities. You are being acknowledged for your efforts. You are being included in important decisions. You are being praised for your accomplishments. They are being trained in new techniques. They are being offered flexible working hours. They are being encouraged to share their ideas. They are being recognized for their expertise. They are being provided with additional training. We are being asked to complete the project by Friday. We are being given access to new software tools. We are being offered discounts for bulk purchases. We are being encouraged to maintain a healthy work-life balance. We are being shown examples of successful projects. They are being given incentives to increase productivity. They are being invited to attend a conference. They are being asked to provide feedback on the proposal. They are being given opportunities for professional development. They are being encouraged to collaborate with other teams.